Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by that little subscribe button down at the bottom. If you remember when I first got this bike, I had done a video on the Fender Eliminator and the integrated turn signals, and more specifically I used an R6 bracket to make it all work, which was really cool at the time. And I had said that when the new one comes out, I'll go ahead and check it out and see if I think it's worth it. So that's what I have for you guys today. A new TST Industries block off plate that they made, and let me tell you, this thing is unbelievably well machined and is going to look perfect on the back of this bike, which is, in my opinion, just staring at the gap that I have down here, going to fill this absolutely perfectly. So let's go ahead and get that installed real quick. I'll show you the before with the R6 plate versus the new version for the R7. I won't do an installation video because TST Industries has already done an unbelievably better version of that video than I can, so I won't waste your time with a how-to. I'll just go ahead and quickly zip through this, get this thing installed, and show you what it looks like. Here's the original R6 bracket we used. We used this from TST Industries too. We did have to drill some holes in it to make it work. It did an acceptable job in my opinion, it worked, but it is nothing like the quality fit we're gonna get out of this new bracket. This fits in every possible little nook and cranny, is gonna make it look super clean. The new license plate bracket, which I think is really cool. Not to say that this isn't fairly clean and come out really well, but this is going to mount considerably lower inside of the bike, and I think that's going to be a much cleaner look just to get rid of this license plate. I'll use the same license plate light and it'll go down here too. Like I said, TST's already done a pretty cool video on this, so I'm not going to waste your time showing you a whole nother installation. I just want to show you what it looks like when it's done. It comes with this cool ass little bracket right here that you actually stick on the inside so that it makes the holes in the perfect position that you could drill through. This is such a well thought out little placement. Yes, you do have to drill some holes, which for some of you that might be a little scary, but like I said, watch the video, it's super easy. You get this plate, it sits right inside of there. You can drill your holes real quick and you're good to go. So once again, I won't make you sit through another installation video. I will go ahead and get this thing on real quick, show you what it looks like, and let you know what I think. That is really cool how that fits in there. Once you remove that little fuse box, you just slide this little metal plate right in there, and it just sits perfectly. So you've got your little drill holes you need to go with. Very cool. I definitely wouldn't be afraid of the drilling part, guys. They've made this so easy with this metal plate. It's like you can't mess it up. So, very cool. So there's a license plate install as well. I don't know what you guys think. I think it looks a billion times better. This is totally worth the upgrade in my opinion. And honestly, TST Industries just makes such solid quality components at realistically really good prices. So having that license plate down there looks way better to me. It really, really cleans up the tail. I know that the original thing I did cleaned up the tail a lot as well, but I'm not gonna lie, this license plate right here was really kind of irritating me. And now to just have this clean, awesome looking tail is freaking cool. And that license plate just nicely hidden. I think it looks rad, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Of course, I'll put links down in the description. For the TST components, they're going to be coming out very shortly. I'll also put a link to the TST's actual installation pages for you guys so you can follow them step by step. So thanks again for watching, guys. I really do think this is a better setup than what I had done. Not to say that what I had done wasn't cool in the fact that these didn't exist yet, but now that these do exist, it definitely looks a hell of a lot cleaner. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week.